Gun Park is the strongest because he mastered what everyone else ignores, the basics. His punches are simple, his footwork is simple, his stance is simple, but he performs them with a level of precision that makes him unstoppable. If you want to train like Gun Park, you must focus on discipline, technique, and control, not flash. Start with a stance. Gun Park stands balanced, relaxed, and grounded. Knees soft, shoulders loose, chin down, hands calm. A perfect stance gives you instant power and instant defense. Next is footwork. Gun Park moves only as much as he needs. Small steps, tight pivots, angle shifts, and smooth weight transfers. You don't waste motion. You don't overreact. Your feet follow your eyes, not your panic. Now, train the jab. Gun's jab is clean, straight, and precise. No swinging, no telegraphing, just a perfect line from shoulder to target. Practice the jab until it becomes second nature. A perfect jab controls distance and controls the fight. Add the cross. Gun Park's cross is heavy because he rotates his entire body into it. Hips twist, core tightens, shoulder drives, full body mechanics create real power. Focus on alignment, not muscle. Then practice hooks and uppercuts. Keep them tight, compact, and efficient. Gun Park never wastes energy. Your punches should be short, sharp, and delivered from perfect angles. Train your guard and head movement. Gun doesn't dodge wildly, he slips just enough to avoid the strike, then counters immediately. Minimal motion, maximum efficiency. Build explosive power. Gun Park hits hard because it combines technique with strength. Use bodyweight training, push-ups, dips, squats, core work to build functional power that enhances your strikes. Now master timing. Gun waits for mistakes, then strikes with perfect accuracy. Train counters, reaction drills, and slip hand hit patterns. Timing beats speed, strength, and aggression. Develop calmness. Gun Park never shows emotion. He breathes slow, stays relaxed, and observes everything. Calm mind increases reaction speed and sharpens control. Silence gives you power. Finally, focus on efficiency. Gun Park wastes nothing. Every motion has purpose. Every punch has intention. Every step brings advantage. Train yourself to remove unnecessary movement and fight with pure precision. If you master your stance, footwork, jab, cross, tight punches, timing, calmness, and efficiency, you will build the real-life core of Gun Park's perfect basics mastery. Simple, sharp, deadly effective, train clean. Move calm, fight smart.